So we've had a great experience the past 2 days. The caliber of the insights and the presentations in the main rooms has been brilliant, and the types of discussions we've been able to have with some really senior stakeholders and thought leaders in industry has been brilliant.
I thought they were fantastic. People really were honest and shared vulnerabilities around the operational challenges or constraints that they had, which is different to other conferences that I've personally been to in the past, where people come in and they want to share that everything's fine and it's all working well. And I think the reason that it's worked well in this environment is the variety of industries and geographies that you brought together. The meetings that you organise, we've met people from all of the sectors that are represented here, most of the European countries and some of the US. So I would say the diversity of the people that we've been able to meet has been unparalleled.